BnkPro app pricing explained what you get for your money. BnkPro is a digital banking and investing platform designed for both personal and business users. Many people assume modern banking apps hide fees, but BnkPro focuses on transparency. The app is free to download and comes with a standard account that includes basic banking, transfers, and debit card usage. Premium plan costs $99 per month and includes additional benefits like higher interest on deposits, priority support, and access to low-cost investment portfolios. There are no hidden maintenance fees, and international transfers are competitively priced. Most people get this wrong thinking premium features are just cosmetic. The surprising truth is that BnkPro's subscription adds real financial value. For example, the investment feature automatically allocates savings into diversified. It's based on risk profile, helping you grow money without actively managing it. In conclusion, BnkPro offers clear pricing with valuable tools for both banking and investing. With predictable monthly fees and meaningful perks, it's a practical option for anyone looking to manage their finances more efficiently.